Hey everyone, so YouTube has officially rejected my appeal and confirmed that my and Nick Cruz's stream from yesterday did not follow their firearms policy. YouTube's firearms policy states that no live streamer can handle or operate a firearm while they are streaming. This is something that I've never done in my 3 years of streaming on YouTube, and I never will, because I'm just a political commentator who covers the news. To highlight the absurdity and arbitrariness of this decision by YouTube, Nick Cruz's stream is still available
on YouTube to watch. Take a look.
What do they do now? They engage in never-ending film.